Yo! Oh, you wanna go, bro? Yo, what is going on, you guys? I'm on my way to work right now. I'm taking my morning commute in the snow. You guys, these are treacherous conditions. Just got done snowing, dumping down on us. So I think it might be fine. But I wanted to go through today and just talk about everything wrong with my car. There's a lot. For it being a Subaru, just known for being the most unreliable car of all time, I just wanted to say this car has been really good to me over the years, and it's been, you know, it's been actually like pretty reliable. I'm still kind of holding out on you guys. Like, I have not posted the video where I fixed it. A couple more videos have come out since before then, so you'll see that the car is fixed before you actually figure out why it's fixed. I'm taking a dirt road right now just because that road that I was going down, that's where I'm supposed to really go, but it gets so backed up, and I might be late today to work. Like, I don't have time to be sitting in that traffic. And it's not a big deal if you drive on dirt roads and it's like this. Like, the snow is, it's totally fine. Yo! Yo! Bro, you know when like... Okay, I gotta simmer down. This is... I gotta keep this car. I love this car. I can't lose it. Damn, bro. But like, you know when the road narrows in and like you just get like kind of tunnel vision? That's always fun. I love tunnel vision. Wow, I have no traction at all. This is crazy. Oh, dude, that's another thing that is wrong with this car. I think I might have cheaped out with the tires that I got. So they're not actually that great. I couldn't even tell you. They're probably like Lancasters or Waterfalls or something. Like, literally the cheapest of the cheap that you can buy. I need to get new tires. But the reason that I'm putting that off... Damn, that was sick. The reason that I'm putting it off is because the wheels are messed up and they're bent, and so I'm getting this like terrible wobble at like 75 to 80 miles an hour. So I've been kind of like reluctant to get really nice new tires because I just know that they're gonna get shredded. Bro, there's a guy who's like kind of low-key catching up to me right now. He's kind of going fast. Dude, I thought it was a cop for a second. Bro, this road, like, dude, tell me that you would not commute down this road as long as it's not actually dirt. Like, I've gotten my car so dirty down here, but this is such a beautiful commute. Oh no, dude, the traffic is bad over here. This is not good. My favorite video that I've ever made was where I installed this Underglow on this car. It's like the most fun that I've had so far making a video. It's very fun, so please go check that video out. I'll link it at the end of this video so that you can just go watch it. That's a one-way, dog. That is a one-way. You guys, I'm just getting out of work. I'm just getting out of work. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just getting out of work. Okay. I'm not even warm yet. I gotta calm down. Bro, today was just long. Hard. That guy did not have his lights on, bro. I don't know if you could even see him. Don't get over. Just let me go, please. Let me go in peace. It's so cold. You guys, you don't even know how cold it is. This weekend, it's gonna get down. Let's see what it's getting down to. It's like literally -10 or something ridiculous. Yeah, -10 as the low. 5 is the high for Saturday. What is that all about? My car's been warming up for, I don't know, 30 minutes. And it's still, no, it hasn't been warming up. It's been like 15 minutes. Oh, you want to go, bro? Dude, another guy, another race. Dude, he's a Mariner too. He kind of almost had me, bro. That was crazy. That was low-key crazy, bro. I kind of walked him though. I'm sorry, bro, if you're watching this, if you ever see this, I low-key walked you, but it's all right. You're more comfortable driving at excessive speeds down the road. I think that a race has a lot more to do with how fast you accelerate. Like, anybody can go 110 miles an hour down the road. Let's give him a little appreciation rev. I don't know, bro. The Mariner is kind of quick. Dude, did you see him like inching up? He wanted to go so bad. That was great. I love when I used to have a minivan, and the thing was clapped, bro. That minivan was crazy. I had a front splitter and I blacked out the headlights, or I like shaded them. It was sick. I'll throw up a picture, because man, dude, that thing was my pride and joy. And I was just getting into cars, and like all I would do is watch Evan Shanks all day instead of doing school. And I would oh my gosh, dude, like there was so many times where I would like be revving next to somebody trying to get them to race. And there was one time like a Focus ST just absolutely smoked me, but it was the greatest day of my life, because I was recognized as being a guy that wanted to race. Man, that was an incredible day. Bro, this guy's gotta go. It's a 45 and we're doing 30. Ah! Oh my gosh, dude, I'm still cold. I'm still cold. This guy's gotta go. Is that a deer up there? Bro, that's low-key a deer. Dude, where did the deer go? Yo, where did he go? Bro, I swear to God there was a deer right here. On some ghost type shit. Dude, it's so sick. My tires suck in the snow. They are definitely just summer tires, I think. I don't know. Like I said, they're very cheap. I should look into seeing like what they're actually rated at, but they, you know, dude, knowing the price that I paid for them, they probably aren't rated for anything. Damn, bro, this thing's kind of fast. I think it just feels faster because it's slick. Is it too bumpy to get a little sideways right here? Man, I hope you guys can see. Oh, there's the deer. Bro, did you see it? He's stuck in there. Oh my gosh, the deer are out tonight, you guys. We gotta be careful. I also don't have ABS. That is something that's wrong with this car. No ABS, no airbags. The hazards work. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you my Boof Underglow. So it's sick right here, right? Dude, the Underglow is dope. It's dope until you get to the side, and then you see what the fuck is going on over here. Actually, it's low-key on. I think it's just dim, maybe? No, it turned off. I don't know. Yo, it went out. The Underglow went out, bro. What happened? It's broken. Oh, no, there we go. But the only thing is the Underglow does not work in the front. I guess it doesn't matter because I got the light bar. Yo, it actually low-key looks sick. I forgot about this shit. It does not look bad. Let's get a quick little... Dude, I forgot about how sick this Underglow is. I have not turned it on in so long. What's annoying is that there's no way to mount it correctly back here without having it exposed, so you can kind of see it unless you're standing over here. Then it's cool. This car is only cool on camera, bro. Okay, there's somebody behind me. I gotta go. I gotta go. Dude, what is going on? Why is there so much snow? It's deep. The guy's still behind me, bro. A little too shallow. Oh, dude, yo, this is a lot of snow. I'm kind of worried about my oil drain hanging out from under below. Not the drain. Yeah, the drain. I'm kind of worried about that actually, because it does go low. This is a lot more snow than it was earlier. Oh shit, dude, that is So much snow. That is so much snow. Oh my gosh, that's so scary. Once I get out of the snow, I gotta check it. I gotta check it, bro, because that is, dude, what the hell is that? My oil light is not on yet, so I think that we're good. Damn, dude, I literally think it's, holy shit. I think it's the wind is blowing the snowbanks into the road because it was so windy today. Please, car, hold on. I hope that I did not knock that loose. Okay, now we're onto the pavement. We're onto the pavement. That's fine. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. You guys, we're good. Does my e-brake work? Dude, my e-brake does not work. You're gonna make me turn my car off so I can check. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. It's still just hanging there. Dude, I am so fried. Today fried me like an egg. If you guys have made it to the end of this video, I appreciate you so much for the support and for watching. And please let me know if you have anything to say or any questions about my Subaru or anything in general. You know, if you haven't already, subscribe and like this video. I love you guys so much. I appreciate it. Oh wait, hold on. I'll give you a poll. I'll give you a poll. You guys watch this. You guys watch this.